Let's try and set this up now. What you get in the box is a very handy guide which gives you all the instructions of how to set up the camera. What you need to do is first plug the camera in. As you can see, we've plugged in the micro USB cord and we've plugged into a power source. And go into your app store and find the Mi Home app, which is available both on iOS and on Android. Let's install the app now. So while the Mi Home app gets installed on my phone, let's tell you a little bit more about the camera. So what the camera can do, as you can see, there's a blue blinking light on the camera right now. What that means is that there is a network error. Why there is a network error on this camera right now is because this was connected at my home a couple of days ago and now it's come to office, so it's gotten a network error and cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. What we are doing is we are going to reset the camera and again install the Mi Home app and set it up from scratch. So now that I've got the Mi Home app installed on my phone, I'm just going to go and open it. As you just heard, the camera is going to keep saying waiting for connection unless it can't find a connection. So it's asking me to access my location. I will give that permission only while using the app. Mi Home would like to send you notifications. Allow this is necessary so that when motion is detected in your house, the camera can send you notifications. There's a privacy policy which I suggest that you guys should read through before you accept the terms. So I'm going to change my region over here. And sign into my account, which I cannot show you. So let's just do that. So while I'm signing in, it lets me choose the server that I want my data to be going to. There are multiple servers listed over here, so you need to select the India server, which is recommended. I'm signing in through Facebook because I don't have a Mi account, so you have an option of signing in through Facebook as well. I'm confirming my login through Facebook and continuing back to the Mi Home app. So once I've chosen my region, I just need to tap to add a device. I tap here and I can see a list of devices. So I'm going to find the Mi Home security camera here, tap on the device and wait for the voice prompt. So as you can see, it's showing me the Mi Home security camera 360 degree. So it's asking me to hold the reset button for about 3 seconds until the notification light turns yellow, which it already is, but let me just do that again. So the device is booting again. I've just reset it once again and it's booting. I'm going to wait till I get the voice prompt because I need to tick here that I've received the voice prompt and go next. So now that I've received the prompt, I'm going to click on prompt received and I'm going to connect this to the Wi-Fi in our office. So now that I've received a QR code here, all I need to do is scan this QR code with the camera. So that's what I'm doing. Maybe I need to increase the brightness on my phone so that the camera can see the QR code. So the QR code has been scanned successfully and I've heard that, so I'm going to just click on heard scanned successfully and now the camera is connecting. So it's asking me to tag the location where the camera has been placed. So for now I'm going to just check Rec Room and device's name. You can go here and change your device's name and probably name it to your own device. So I'm going to do that and say Adamya's security cam. This is when you have multiple devices attached to the Mi Home app. If you have multiple cameras, so it's better for you to recognize. You can also name them as a living room camera or bedroom camera or something like that. So let's get started. So my device is being initialized right now, as you can see over here. I'll have to wait until that's done. So the setup is pretty simple. You just have to follow the voice prompts and you need to follow the instructions given in the leaflet. You need to have a solid Wi-Fi connection so you get actually 1080p video recording. It also needs access to my microphone. Why? Because I can speak through my phone. So as you can see, my camera person at the back right now. I can pinch to zoom. There's instructions that come up on your screen so you can see what you need to do. Tap to view previously recorded videos. Okay. So there you go. That was the Mi Home security camera setup. Goodbye.